Are you good? Yes or no? Yes, I think I heard mostly yeses, and that is fantastic. And if you did say no, that's okay. I'll send you some love. Okay, today we are going to practice building some words that all have the same letter in the middle, letter A. And it's going to say A in all of our words. That's it, A. Okay, so you will need your helper, which is the grown-up that's with you, to help you get your supplies. You will need this awesome card. Super easy, 3 boxes, an A in the middle, 3 green dots, and a red arrow. And then we will need letters M, P, T, V, F, H, N. Those letters. All of the words we will build today will use only those letters. So go ahead and have your helper, get your supplies, and meet me back here so we can check our schedule. Okay, friends, let's check our schedule. We only have one job today. We are going to practice building some words with that A sound right in the middle. And when we get to the star, we'll be all done. So let's go.
Okay, friends, let's get started. Make sure you have your letters laid out in front of you along with your card with that A right there in the middle. Okay, so I'm going to move this out of the way. And this is our first picture. And we already know we already know that the middle sound is the A sound, A. Okay, so we have to figure out what this picture is, and then we have to fill in the missing letters. What is this picture? Oh, you got it, a hat. Hat. Now, let's look at our letters. Which one of these letters makes the sound? Oh, I think I heard a lot of H's. Let's try it. We're going to put this here. Now you pick up your H and put it right next to your A. Okay, here we go. Ah, ha. I think that sounds like it could be right. Okay, now we have to figure out what goes at the end of this word. What is this picture again? Oh, that's right. Hat. Hat. Ooh, what's that sound you hear at the end? Hat. Oh, I heard lots of people say t. T. Yes. Okay, here's our T. Let's put it in here. At. Does that sound right? At. Hat. Yes, we did it. We built the word hat. Now let's read it together. Okay, yours should have your 3 dots at the bottom, and we have that awesome arrow. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to put our finger and touch each dot as we say each sound. Ooh, and then swipe it across to read the word. Here we go. At. Hat. Woohoo! Nice. Let's do it one more time. At. Hat. Woohoo! You got it. Okay, let's see what the next picture is. Here's our next picture. Ooh, looks like we have a fan. Fan. Ooh, okay, what is that beginning sound? The first one that we hear. Oh my goodness, that was amazing. F. F. All right, let's put that on here. Meow. Okay. Ah. Now we need to know what this last sound is. Fan. Fan. Oh, interesting. I heard some Freds say, Let's see here. Fam. A fam. Is this a fam? Ooh, nope. Sometimes these 2 letters, it gets super mixed up. M and N. Oh my goodness. We need the N. N. Your tongue should touch the top, like the roof of your mouth when you say this sound. N. Let's try it. Ah. N. Fan. Fan. Yes! There we go. Okay, now let's practice it together. Here we go. All those dots, we're going to say each sound and then swipe it and read it. Here we go. Ah. Fan. Yes! Let's do it one more time. Ah. Fan. Fan. Yes! That was awesome. Okay, next picture, please. Ooh, next picture. A map. Map. Ooh, okay. What is that beginning sound that we hear in map? We're really pressing our lips together when we make that sound. Mm. You got it. M. M. M says Okay. Ah. P. Map. What do you hear? You're right. Oh my goodness, that was so fast. We hear a P. Okay, let's put that P. Here we go. Map. Map. Is this a map? Yes, it is. We did it. Okay, now let's read it together. Okay, let's read it together. Here we go. Map. Map. Yes. Here we go. Map. Map. Oh, yeah. Okay, we have one more picture. Let's do it. Okay, friends, last picture. Here we go. Ooh, what is this vehicle? Nice. You're right. A van. Van. Ooh, okay. What is that first sound that we hear? Van. Our teeth are on top of our bottom lip and they're kind of making a buzzy sound. Yes, you got it. V. V. Okay, let's put it on there. Okay. Van. N. Ooh, okay. I definitely can tell when I'm saying this sound, my lips are not touching. So I think it can't be the M. It must be the N. Fan. N. Oh, yeah. There we go. That, I think, will work. Here we go. Van. Yes! Okay, now let's read it together. Okay, let's read this together. Here we go. Van. Yes, van. Okay, let's do it again. Van. Oh my goodness, that was amazing. Let's check our schedule.
Check schedule!
Oh, yeah. That was awesome. We got to check out some different pictures, and then we had to figure out which letters would build those words. It was awesome. You all are amazing. Let's check that off. Ready? Check. Okay. Oh, and look at that. We made it to the star. You know what that means. We are all done. Big heart for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can learn with Mrs. Huey. Bye.
It's Huey time. Bye!